video, I'm gonna tour you of our plants. This is where our watermelon seeds are. We put it, but it died.
3 days later.
Yeah.
You guys maybe were a little confused. How is he alive? You guys might be a little confused.
Wait, we're gonna show you something, guys. Let's see, picture. And I'm gonna show you something later. But look at this. This is our real plants. Like we put it in there. My favorite here is this one. It's so cool to touch. It's so cool. It's so nice to touch.
Yeah. Let's go because there's actually bees in it.
What?
There's bees in it.
You kidding? There's bees? Oh, guys, there's bees there. Oh, that's George's foot or feet. What is this? No, I'm gonna show there's something.
Let's go show
Flower.
Show the big guys. Maybe not the big guys.
That's already there, I think. But there's chili there.
And this is the biggest plant in our garden.
That's not our garden.
Yeah,
This is our neighbor's garden.
and we're gonna show you the secret ones.
Hey, look there. Look at this, guys. There's
We're
okra.
showing the ones we never showed. And this is
There's the kamatis.
and this.
Oh wait, there's someone's buying in our tindahan.
Wait, do I say peace out?
No!
Baka na, binigay ka ko ng takba. Ang tao naman ni David. Batayin yung pintan! Diyan kayo!
Later.
Ano po, hindi ka naman nakaharap. Ano yan? Ano ka?
The dog that is
Ano
name
sa
is
kanila mo eh?
Kiwi. Stephanie, meron ka pang kachay?
Oo, meron pa nung kunin mo.
Nakain tayo.
This is your long video.
We're just gonna mukbang something, so wait till the end. Come here, guys.
Okay.
And
This is me.
let's